The FBI says literally thousands of children go missing every year. The many faces of the children you see behind me are among them, and there are many more, including 13-year-old Giovanna Hill of Tuscaloosa. She's been missing since April 27th. The FBI is offering a free app that parents can download onto a smartphone and be able to act swiftly in the event their child is abducted. It's not new, but we found out a lot of people don't know about it. It's called the FBI Child ID app. We checked it out for you and downloaded it in the WIAT 42 News Center. Here's how it works. Parents are able to store pictures and vital information about their children: the name, age, weight, height, recent pictures. This works for all of your children. There's a local 911 and a direct line for the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. There are also tips for what a parent should do in the first 24 hours and the second 24 hours of an abduction. The FBI Child ID app is free. It's available for iTunes and Androids. We should point out that the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children cites a 97% recovery rate for missing children. What happens in that first 3 hours, though, is crucial. We put all the information for you on our website at WIAT.com.